I be like, ay Dios. I've been woke even with my eyes closed. Diles que si quieren más, mira que eso va pa' largo. Tiren barrio, ride slow. Live fast, better get that cash flow. Anybody wanna stand in my way, I got people yelling, whoop that ass. No, the product got fed up with the fish. Life already hard enough as it is. I don't need these motherfuckers shading me or talking about where the fuck I am. I've been out here getting cash on my own. Travel the country, headlining my shows. I ain't asking anybody for favors. You motherfuckers wanna hate on a snowman. Tell me about it. I know how you feel about me. Lyrically, I can threaten anybody's career. How you feel about it? Since we're being honest, I could give it all up. Have a couple babies. When they learn to talk, then they will spit some bars. And I can guarantee you that it's fire somewhere in their first verse. They will say you garbage. I'm a motherfucker problem for real. Money talks, I'm talking a mill. Mac is out, don't gotta conceal. Mac is out, don't gotta conceal. Top 5, I'm top 2. Talking spitting bars and that grind too. Y'all child's play like Caillou. And by the way, that was a haiku. Look, damn, I died Atlantic. Better get it together before strange. Hit him with a tech. Slept on so long, got a kink in my neck. I've been thinking it's best we relinquish the debt. Got it all in cash, or I could write a check. Or y'all could buy me lunch, or y'all could give me a desk and let me write for rappers. Y'all do get pressed. I feel like Piper Chapman. How much time is left? My head not. I'm just kidding, ladies. You know I love you. Hey, man. Oh, this shit.